So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use maximum lines of analytics pane in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. And in the report pane, I have already made one bar chart which represents sales by subcategory. Now let's say we want to find out which subcategory generating maximum sales. So over here, since we have less number of bars, one can easily find out which subcategory generating maximum sales by just looking at them. But what if we have more number of bars? At that time, it becomes difficult to find out by just looking at the bars. So at that time, we can make use of maximum lines. So what I will do is I will just generate a maximum lines, and by just looking at the maximum lines, we can easily find out which subcategory generating maximum sales. So let's see how we can do this. So first select this visual, and in the visualization area we have one option known as analytics. So just go over there, click on maximum lines and just click on add. I will change the color so that we can see the line. So I will change to white, and as you guys can see we have successfully added the maximum lines in the visual. And now by just looking at the line we can easily find out the copier subcategory generating the maximum sales. So in this way one can make use of maximum lines in their visual. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.